Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn how to declare variables in Java Eclipse. So go to your SRC default package and create a new class. So go to new class and write the class name as for example declaring variable. So what is declaring variables? After writing, so click finish, then you will see public class declaring variable. Then write the code which I am writing. So copy the code. So public static void main string ans. I told you before what this means. So public static void main string ans. So now we will declare a variable. So we will write int var variable. So var1. So then int variable once and then int var2 var2. So then this int variable 1 declares a variable and then int var2 this also declares another variable. So I am just writing the statement for your understanding. So this declares another variable. Then after we will write 2, for example. Now we will give the variable, so we'll write the variable 1 is equals to any value you want to write. So write any variable which you want to give any value to variable 1. Same for variable 2 also. So I will give a value to variable 2 also. So I will give the value to it. So after writing that, so now in system, so we need to print. So we'll write system.out.print line. Then we will write the code where 1 contains where 2. Okay. So write it. So just copy the code which I am writing. So this is the code which I am writing. So you need to also copy this code for declaring a variable. Also please like and subscribe my channel too. Please share also. So this is the code. After writing the code, so we'll run it. So it is asking to save the code, so we'll click on OK. So in the console tab, so you can see the output. So this is the output given here. So you can see the output is here. So this is a code for declaring variables. Thanks for